Hello, hello. Welcome back to another daily Magic the Gathering pack opening. We're opening another pack of Innistrad Remastered today. I'm quite excited. I've done, I think Crimson Vow and Midnight Hunt the last 2 days, so I'm like, why not continue the theme and just hit all 3 of my Vampire, or like Innistrad packs, and then move on to some other stuff in the upcoming days. Makeshift Mauler, Village Rites, Epitaph Golem, Dawnheart Disciple, Blood Mad Vampire, Bound by Moon Silver, Lunarch Veteran, which turns into Luminous Phantom, Travel Preparations, Blood Mist, Duskwatch Recruiter, which turns into Kralin Horde Howler, Memory Deluge, Grapple with the Past. Look at that, beautiful. Throbbin Inspector. I don't think I pronounced that right. A Plains. Oh my lord. A beautiful art card of Markov. I'll see you guys next time.